What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel and thank you for tuning in. Today on Pimp My Ride, we got ourselves a Gen 2 2015 Toyota Tacoma that we are going to put a 3-inch lift kit on and some fancy wheels and tires. Let me show you. So here is our stock truck. This is a 2015, like I said, Gen 2. So this application and everything will work on all the Gen 2 Tacomas. So basically 2005 to 2015. This one here is a crew cab long bed. This is probably one of the most odd combinations that you see. You don't see these very often. Most crew cab Tacomas have the short 5-foot bed. So this is the nice long wheelbase unit, which is awesome. It is a 4-wheel drive 4.0 liter TRD Sport. Nothing done to this truck other than window tint, which looks pretty good. You got 20% on the sides and a 5% brow. So either way, this is a co-worker's truck, so this is what we're doing for it. We finally talked him in. My bad habits finally wore off, and we talked him into getting some wheels and tires for the truck, which are these. These are some 18x9 fuel lethals, the 6x5.5 lug pattern, and he ended up wrapping these with my suggestion because I love the tires, a Toyo Open County ATIII, which is a very nice all-terrain unit. I run these on my everyday Cummins, and the tires are pretty nice. So the fun thing is he bought these to throw on the Tacoma, wanted to do nothing else. These are a 265/65 on a 17, going up to a 265/70 on an 18, and turns out that they didn't fit at all. So try to put them on the truck stock, and they're big enough with the offset of the wheels. Tacoma wheels have such a positive offset. These have like a -19 or -20 offset, so they pull them out a lot. The issue was they rubbed really bad on the inner fender well. So instead of being responsible and setting them back to buy the right size, he spent a little bit more money and he bought himself a lift kit. So that is what we're putting on this truck as well. And that is 3-inch lift kit from Rough Country. These are the struts themselves. So 3-inch lift struts up front. There also is diff drop brackets. And then literally for the rear, we have some blocks. So just some rear blocks, new U-bolts, and of course some shocks for the rear as well. So either way, a couple of us are just staying after work real quick, get this knocked out, hoping that the wheels and tires are gonna fit now with the 3-inch lift. And yeah, we gotta get to work, guys. Enjoy.
Tell you what I saw. When you break it up, you'll see who had it all. You had it all.
guys, right here is the moment of truth. See? Nice. Nice. That's Yo, look at that. That looks fantastic. 3 inches on a Tacoma and some 265/70s. That looks great. So sorry about the poor lighting. Honestly, I didn't film as much as I wanted to as far as like the install process, but it was kind of hands-on and didn't have someone to hold the camera the whole time. We kept knocking the camera over, but everything went on fairly smoothly. For a 9-year-old truck, everything actually worked out pretty good. Man, that looks good all black, so damn. Truck has a pretty good stance now. Like the wheels stick out a hair. They stick out a hair, not very much, which is nice because this is gonna keep this truck very daily drivable. Shouldn't be slinging up too much mud or anything. It's nice to see what this truck looks like with a little baby lift and a little beefy tires on that. And then as far as install time, I will be honest, it took us about 4 hours total. It took us longer than I thought it was going to. Install time on directions said like 2 to 4 hours. It did take us 4 hours just because we did have it's a 9-year-old truck. There was some rust and stuff like that. It was kind of hard to get some of the things done. However, rear block's okay, front strut's okay, and actually did like the diff drop, and which actually worked out pretty good too. So either way, I think it looks pretty awesome. Drop a comment, let me know what you think of it. And honestly, if you want to see some more of this content featuring other people's vehicles, so like the video if you haven't already, subscribe, join the family, join the build. I'll see you guys next week. Peace.